What a wonderful day. Oh no, not again.
Welcome to the virtual reality survival class. A huge meteorite is about to fall into the sea and cause an epic tsunami.
Come on, let's go.
You gotta leave the shore as soon as possible and find a shelter which is at least 30 to 40 meters above the sea level.
Hit the road. There's a mountain nearby.
Evacuation by car is risky because you can get stuck in traffic.
Oh, you're such a pessimist.
If you drive a car, you should slow down smoothly and move through an open area away from high buildings and bridges.
There are too many cars. We're stuck here.
Tsunami waves have the capacity to wash you away together with the car.
Oh no. Look! The wave is here! Move! Oh no! Ah! Hurry up!
But you still have a chance to swim away.
Whoa! Can't believe we did it!
Congratulations, you're saved. Thankfully, it's just a simulation and no one got hurt.
Come on, let's get out of here. No! No! It can be! It's a tsunami! Whoa! Hold on tight! We need to go faster! Whoa! It's catching us! We have to get to the land! Look out! It's too late! Brace yourself! This is going to be a bumpy ride! Keep going! We're back in the city? Whoa!
Wow, it's so beautiful out here.
Radio check. How are you doing?
I can hear you loud and clear. I'm close. Can't wait to explore this legendary volcano. There it is. Ha! Looking good. There are about 900 active volcanoes on Earth. I hope this one's sleeping.
Remind me, what's the highest volcano in the world?
That would be Yuyaco at the border of Argentina and Chile. It's 22,000 feet tall.
What? How do you even pronounce it?
Whoa, this volcano is smoking. I don't like this at all. Oh no.
Come on, move. The boat won't start.
Hey, what's going on there?
Hey, bro, radio check. Report the situation.
I don't have time to escape. Oh, goodbye, friends. Ah!
Hello? Hold on. Help is coming.
Goodbye, little buddy. You were my favorite boat. Oh, what a day.
Oh, thank goodness you're okay. Get in, quick.
Hurry up. Let's get out of here. Today, we'll explore the sizes of tsunamis, from the smallest to the most giant, and talk about the damage they can cause. This wave is 3 feet long. It's not considered dangerous, and it's too weak to destroy a city. The next wave is still ranked as moderate. You may notice that the wind is blowing the trees and the flags. And this is a big storm. The maximum wave height is around 40 feet. The wind speed may reach up to 28 miles per second. Such a storm can rip off roofs and damage small coastal buildings significantly. And this wave is 86 feet high. A surfer from Germany managed to ride it in 2020 and set a new world record. This is a reconstruction of the powerful tsunami that occurred in 2011 in the Japanese region of Tohoku. The waves were up to 131 feet high. Such waves are capable of wiping entire villages off the face of the earth. In 1946, wave heights during the April Fool's Day tsunami reached 164 feet. Such a tsunami can bring serious damage to high-rise buildings. In 1792, during the Unzen mega tsunami, the waves reached 427 feet. In 1980, St. Helens mega tsunami brought waves as high as 656 feet. And this wave is almost twice as high as the Eiffel Tower. It's 1,700 feet tall. It was registered in 1946 during the Lituya Bay mega tsunami. Phew, thank goodness it's just a simulation, and no one got hurt.
To the virtual helicopter tour. We'll see the most picturesque sights of the city, although this place isn't real, and neither are its citizens.
Oh wow, what a view! Whoa, it looks like a tsunami is coming.
Oh my cat, you're right. We should get out of here as fast as we can.
Please, tell me that this copter can handle a tsunami?
Don't worry, it's recommended to hide from tsunami waves at a height of at least 130 feet above sea level, and the record height that copters can reach is about 7 miles. Well, at least this city is just a simulation, and no one got hurt.
Hey, where did that fog come from?
It was formed when the wave hit the shore. By the way, the second wave may come soon, and the third one.
Then we should leave. But wait, can't we save those guys on the roof?
Of course. Hey guys, over here! Hurry up!
No!
How about no? Well now, seems like I'm safe here.
Nice to see you, honey. We didn't finish talking.
How did you get here?
You can't hide from me.
Challenge accepted. This roof looks good.
I'm gonna get you. Come on, come to mommy.
Leave me alone!
And speaking of that, you forgot about my mother's birthday, empty head.
See you never.
Show yourself. Where are my flowers? Where is my gift for Valentine's Day? Why are you so lame?
Whew. Finally. She got lost.
Peekaboo!
The soul is neither born, nor does it ever die, nor having once existed, does it ever cease to be. The soul is without birth, eternal, immortal,